What's up, guys? Lindo here. I just wanted to show you this new product that Brewtools just dropped. It's the little pinch valve. I have the 34 millimeter one, but I'm pretty sure they are making a bunch of them. I've had it for like a year or so now, and been using it for various things like flow control during packaging on the canning line and dumping yeast. So I'm just going to show you a quick teardown and how I'm dumping yeast with it, if there's any more yeast in these tanks that I recently did a Kike repitch trial with. Then I'm going to clean them. Yay! All right, for dumping yeast, you're gonna need a 2-inch to 34 millimeter step down reducer here. At least this is what I'm using. I'm assuming the 2-inch one is probably the better choice, but that one wasn't ready when I picked up this pinch valve by happenstance from the boys. And the fun thing about these is they basically built-in gaskets, so no need for extra gaskets, which is fun. Don't want to over tighten it and crush the polyketone. Push that down. And since I'm in a relatively tight spot, I think I'm going to add an elbow as well. I'll add my hose. So I'm not spraying this with sanitizer or alcohol or anything now. This is just an example. I've actually harvested most of the yeast out of these tanks already. So I'm kind of just doing this as a demonstration. So now when I open the butterfly here, what I actually like to do is have this open a little bit just to evacuate any of the empty, like any of the oxygen filled crevices in there, just so they don't go back up into the tank. So now I can fine adjust it here. Control the flow.